bago kami pumunta ng MOA, 3 beses na kami muntik-muntikanan. So sabi ko kay Daddy, Daddy, wag na tayong tumuloy. Kasi mukhang masama ng pangitain, 3 beses na tayong muntik-muntikan tumumba. Sabi, hindi yan, huwag ka maniwala doon. Kaya natin yan. Buti na lang yung mga guardian angels na may sabi, hindi pa kayo pwede pumatay, may mga anak pa kayo.
Sabi, hindi pa kami mamatay, magdudusa pa kayo.
My God. Self-inflict accident kami.
Ang galing ko kaya. Sabay naman nasa likod ko, galing nun ah.
Daddy can expert at making mom's heart jump.
That's why mommy loves her. I always make her heart jump.
Yes. Like I was crying when I was riding at the back. Talagang Daddy was laughing at me, pero ako I kept crying. And then it took me
Tinatawa ka
months.
ni Riley.
It took me months before I can ride a motorbike again.
Despite them being together for years, he still shows her exciting.
Living on the edge, mom. You wanna live on the edge?
Oh, that's 30 diba?
Turn right onto Bundia Avenue, Senator Gil J. Puyat Avenue.
Hindi ako makapasok eh.
Hindi, sumabay ka na lang. Ito, sa una mo, ano rin naman eh.
Yun nga, nasabayan ko eh.
Nakalak pala yung mga door ng mga bata.
Nanay may alam.
Yan, nakalak na. Yan, nakalak na.
Mamaya makita pa yung dalawa natin, anak din natin na mamalayan. Riley, will you please put the rito, barf bag? It's in that, yan. So in case, Raven.
Go back. In case if I go black.
Black. Black. Belat.
Some people barf when they hear that sound. Don't do that in public.
Oh!
Ow!
Ito nagsabi na nga, some people may barf and they hear that sound, tapos tinry ko ah.
Hindi naman yata sa atin eh. Pero if you're in public,
Yeah, this is the World Trade Center. Tama nga guys.
sige, busina lang. Aandar ako ng mabilis para sa'yo.
Continue on Bundia Avenue for
Busina
1.5
lang, busina.
kilometers.
Sige pa, busina pa. Bibilis ako. Swear.
Hindi naman ikaw yata binubusin ha. Feeling ano.
Tayo.
Diretso lang sa likod natin.
Ah.
Mamadali.
Ano ba siya? Gawa siya ng flyover niya.
Hmm.